Hi, and welcome back to What's Up This Week. The best way to ensure you have a life of lasting vitality and well being is to get educated on the natural way to health. So, today I'll talk about the upcoming webcast Men's Health Masterclass, the replay Fruit Secrets for Bone Health, and new wellness articles and videos to help you maintain optimal bone health at every age. You will see the details. My newsletter has been sent this morning. It's sent once a month, and you will have it in your mailbox. If you don't receive my emails, you can create a free account in my wellness center because it's archived there already. And it will give you access at the same time to trusted resources, expert interviews, and more. I'll put the link with the video. So my story starts around 35 years ago by an aunt who sent me a book because I was tired. I had low energy. Getting out of bed was really difficult for me, either in the morning or if always took naps. And after naps, I was so tired. It didn't matter how many hours I slept. I was always tired, and it affected all aspects of my life. So with that book, it made me realize that first, I wasn't alone. And second, maybe nutrition could be one factor that could help me to have a better life, have more energy. So it was the start of a quest for a better health. And it worked. Like I feel better now than I was in my teens. So, and like that book was the first step in my learning journey. And I learned a lot, and I'm still learning. And I cannot keep all that for myself. And that's why I'm here. I'll go back to share my screen here. So my goal is to give tools for prevention and to help people participate in their health by living in harmony with nature. Because that's something that I learned is to work with nature, not against it. So we are part of nature. So thank you for joining me in this wellness journey. I'll start with event replays. You will find that in my wellness center, in my newsletter that I sent this morning. It's Fruit Secrets for Bone Health. What I can say about that is that if you want to understand the importance of bone health and importance of bone health with your general health, that's something that I learned with this webcast. That's a good one to watch. Now, the articles. The one is Bone Appetit, the surprising snack for stronger bones. So in that article, it talks about dried plums. It's simple, it's delicious, and it can have a significant impact on your bone health. There's a recent study that revealed that when you add 50 to 100 grams of dried plums, that's about 5 to 6 a day. So when you add that in your diet every day, it can have a bone protective effect. So you can learn more about that in the article. The other one is 7 things your bone supplements should have. So when you think about bone health, the first thing that comes to your mind is calcium. But bones are not built with only calcium. They also require magnesium, zinc, copper, manganese, for example. So it helps the bones to stay strong and healthy. Here in the article, there are 7 things you can do for your bones. Another article is the surprising stat about protein and bone health. We know that calcium and vitamin D are crucial to bone health, and many other vitamins and minerals, like I said, are needed for bone maintenance and repair. And there's another key player that we might not think about. If for bone health and osteoporosis prevention is protein. So we'll learn more about the role of protein in bone health in this article. And one thing I can say about this article is, yes, vitamin minerals are important for bone health, but they need a place to go in the body. And that explains that with the protein. Now we'll go to the videos. There's one on bone health and nutrition. Calcium first come to mind. So bone need more than calcium. So there's a video on that subject too. What's coming up? Many men face a range of health challenges today. Energy dips, stress overload, heart disease, prostate issues, and uncertainty about how to maintain vitality in a demanding world. So these are common health issues, and they lead to a life expectancy that's 5 to 6 years shorter than women. And in the upcoming webcast, it will help us to have a roadmap to overcome these obstacles and build healthier, stronger, and more resilient version of who we are. So it will be with Dr. Richard Brouse. It's Men's Health Masterclass, and it will give us practical insights and actionable strategies for navigating the path to peak wellness. And I'll put the link for this webcast. If you're not free at that time, you can register anyway, and you will receive the replay. So what will be in that webcast? You will gain insight into how nutrition, supplementation, and exercise can protect against major health risks that men commonly face. You will also see the crucial skills and tools that every man needs to build resilience, reduce stress, and stay sharp, both physically and mentally. You will learn strategies to address stress, depression, and relationship challenges while finding purpose and fulfillment through achievable, measurable goals. And you will understand the benefits of incorporating soy protein, zinc, and other vital nutrients to improve energy, testosterone balance, and overall health. And there will be much more. So whether you're a man seeking to improve your health or a family member or friend eager to help the men in your life stay strong and resilient, this wellness webcast will provide you with valuable knowledge to support this journey. So I will put a link to this masterclass. So to make a quick review of what I talked about today, while calcium and vitamin D are crucial to bone health, many other vitamins and minerals are needed for bone maintenance and repair. And fruits, like dried plums, also provide bone boosting benefits. There's articles and videos on this subject, and it's to help you for bone health at every age, because if you're a child or a postmenopausal woman, it's not the same challenges. So I talked about the webcast coming from men. You can join my wellness community on Facebook. One of the subjects these days is the pantry makeover. Like we've been told to eat better, to eat good food, and I give ideas to what to look for, and what if we decide to leave something aside, well, you replace it by what? So things like that. You can register to upcoming wellness webcasts. I'll post links for everything. And you can also message me for links if you're interested in learning more. Now I have a tip. If you have an online business, I bet you're taking photos like I do. And I'll just give you a little trick because I'm not expert at all in photos. And what I'll share, I took that from JD, the camera guy. And one of the things he says is when you take a picture, like first look at the picture. If you see the right and the left, do you see a difference? And the left one, I took it with the camera like we normal way. But if the right one, I took it with my camera upside down. And that's what he says. Take your pictures upside down. And I don't know what you think, but I think the right one looks better. Can't explain why, but that's how it is. It doesn't always work, but this one, I think it's a good example to see the difference. So if you're taking photos, well, maybe that can help. So I just wanted to share that. So thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on our next event. Here's to your family's good health. So stay safe. See you next time.